This is our 4th of July show, fireworks. Starting off with Strange Rain Fire Fountain by Brothers. Then we're going to go with Silent Mode by Wyndham. Then Beat All and End All, Fountain by Brothers. And Eruption by Wyndham. That's our fountains, our 4 fountains we're putting off. Then we got 2 740 shot collar cannons. Got 2 of them. Got 7 jet screamers by World Class. We're going to set off. And we got Tiger Tails for 200 gram. It's 12 shots. It's from Keystone. Bonnie and Clyde's Revenge from Shogun. Strobing Willows by Raccoon. Twisty Twirl by Pyro Planet. Bling Bling by Brothers. Squealer by Fisherman Fireworks. Phoenix Flame by Fisherman Fireworks. Wild One by Miracle. Third Base by Pyro Demon. Mic Drop by Pyro Demon. Nice Rack by Pyro Demon. Kick Ass by Pyro Demon. Color Storm from Raccoon. An Aggression from Raccoon. Fire in a Hole from Legend. Then we got Donut King from Shogun. Will Explosion from Raccoon. Apocalypse by Miracle. Armageddon by Miracle. Nishiki Crown Camaro by Dominator. Patriotic Wave by Raccoon. Keeping It Real by Power Blast. Boss Man by Miracle. Fire It Up by Dominator. Nishiki Willow by Keystone. Texas Cowboy by Fisherman. 1 in a Million by Miracle. Tada by Wyndham. Nine on the board. That we're shooting off is Wacky Tobacco. And we got a thing of 5-inch Simply the Best by Dominator, and a kit of Holy Nishiki by Raccoon. And the last to go off is by Parademon 1500 gram Finale Series 1. That's our fireworks show for this year, for the 4th of July.